Hi, my name is Yuki Hashimoto. I'm a senior studying biochemistry at the University of Puget Sound, and this is my second home. These make up Thompson and Harnett Halls, connected by interior hallways, and form the Science Center at Puget Sound, and are home to many of our STEM disciplines. And among many other resources, these buildings contain labs for animal physiology, fluid mechanics, and science computing, as well as equipments like electron microscopes, high-speed centrifuge, and a seismograph. Thompson Hall is also home to the Slater Museum of Natural History, which houses the second largest collection of vertebrates and plant specimens in the state of Washington, as well as the second largest collection of bird wings and tails in the world. And these two buildings combined offer students to build docent and science education skills. Both Thompson and Harnett Hall feature a number of art installations celebrating math and science, such as mosaic patterns after planetary orbits, color-coded floor tiles representing a DNA sequence, and a courtyard paving bricks arranged in fractal patterns. The Science Center is also home to the Oppenheimer Cafe, a dramatic glass gazebo where students can pick up fair trade coffee and grab-and-go menu items on their way to class.